Hello friends, the following video is a sample from my Patreon channel. I talk about Patreon a lot on this channel because it's so important to me that you learn the things that I can teach you through Patreon. So this is just a little sample. They're not very long. It's $5 a month. You get 5 videos a week, Monday through Friday. It applies to both at-home homemakers and payroll homemakers. And this is where you can decide if you want to be mentored by me. So if you decide you want to be mentored and you're in the Patreon channel, you've paid your $5, go look at the tiers and see what you need. All right, that's it. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy. Hello, my dear patrons. Today is Friday or Friday. All right, so what are we doing today? Well, our inspiration for today is to make sure that we take care of every day. Don't say, I'll put that off for tomorrow. Take care of every day. Don't worry about tomorrow. Just stay in today. Put your blinders on. Of course, you have to plan tomorrow and plan next week and plan next year, different things. Finances, for example, what you're going to buy at the grocery store next week, for example. But we're not going to worry about those things. We're going to stick with today. So I want you to plan in your planner and use the things in your planner up. Use the things that you've planned to do up. In other words, mark them off. Use it up. Use everything that you've put in there. Don't put too much in there. Just put the things you want to do, your zone, your basic weekly plan, your routines, and the doctor's appointment, or taking the child to a ball game, etc. But we don't put everything in the planner. I use Kimmy's planner. She's in her apron planner, and it has a to-do list on every weekly spread. So you can put those things that are bothering you down and say, I see you have a plan for you, and plan them next week or next month or whatever. Okay. So that's your thought for today. Now we're going to work on today. What is today? Friday. So we're going to do our morning routine. We're going to follow it with our getting our children up, putting them through their morning routine if you have them. I don't have children, but I tell you about it every day because so many of you do. If you don't have children, please don't hold that against me. Just know that you can fit yours in here too. Okay. If you don't have a husband, same thing. You just do you. All right, so get up into your morning routine. If you have children, get them up, put them through their morning routine, inspect what you expect, and feed them breakfast. Sit down and model that meal with them. Be their parent. Share that joy of being together in each other's presence, everybody at once. And then when you're done, clean up after breakfast. And then if you need to take someone early in the morning, now's the time to go. If you don't need to take them right this minute, do you have 15 minutes? Let's do your zone work. Payroll, you're going to go to work after you do a clutter stop. So breakfast, clutter stop, go to work. Enjoy your last day of the week. We'll see you at dinner. But keep listening because I'll talk about some other things you're going to do. All right, so at-home homemakers, if you have to take somebody at 10, don't say that's first thing in the morning. Get your stuff done and then take them. You want to get everything done as early as possible in the day so that you have more time for yourself in the afternoon or for those unexpected things that would come up. So do the zone work. This is the last day in zone 1, 15 minutes. Payroll, you're going to do all 4 zones on Saturday, all 4 15-minute units, 1 hour on Saturday morning. And you're going to do the basic weekly plan tomorrow morning. So you've got 2 hours to set aside. Get up early and do your morning routine like we just discussed, and then pop right into those 2 hours, and then you're done for the weekend, except for some planning and desk day on Sunday afternoon when you have a quiet time. All right, so, and laundry. Of course, you're going to have to get your laundry done. Having worked 40 years, I feel your pain, but you can do this and then enjoy your family. Enjoy it. And if you can do laundry in the evening, get that done in the evening, payroll. Now, at-home homemakers, yours is in the dryer by now, hopefully, and then you fold it and put it away. Maybe you've got a second load right behind that. Fold it and put it away. Don't wait to put it away. Okay, the other thing we're doing today is car and purse. That is such a simple day. It's almost a non-day. If you've been doing it every week, it's almost a non-day. So you're going to go out to your car, make sure there's nothing in it, shake the mats, put the things away that you get out of the car, resolve not to bring those things back in the car or leave those things in the car anymore. Okay, now it is also date night. So if you're planning to have a date with your spouse, this is when you start getting ready for it in the earlier part of the day. You know, you've got your plans, you've got somebody to watch the children, hopefully. And if not, you're going to have to stay home, but you're going to take some time to be together without the children. That's the key to a date night. No children in your face, no children listening to what you're saying. It's you and your husband privately having time together. So, so important. All right, so what else do we have? We have a clutter stop at breakfast, a clutter stop at lunch, a clutter stop at dinner time. Hard stop for lunch, make lunch, clean up after lunch. Hard stop for dinner. Let's call in payroll. Payroll, clutter stop, your second of the day. And then we're going to make dinner, takes about 30 minutes. Serve dinner, eat dinner, that's about 30 minutes. Clean up after dinner, 30 minutes if you have to do it by yourself. If you have helpers, 15 minutes approximately. If you're going out on a date and you're not eating dinner, you may not know, but here's what you're going to do. You're going to assign someone to feed your children, or you're going to feed them before the sitter comes, or whatever. Whoever is feeding them needs to clean up after them. So if you have a sitter who's going to give them pizza, make sure you tell her not to leave junk in the kitchen. You like a clean kitchen when you come home. You're paying her to care for your children, including caring for your home by cleaning up after your children and themselves. All right, now we're going to, if you're staying home, we're going to go get our before bed routine done. If you are not staying home, you're going out on a date, go get ready for your date. Lay out your clothes for tomorrow, though. Okay, now we're going to take care of our children, or have that assignment given to someone as well, where you bathe the children, clean up one last time, one clutter stop. For that, put them in bed, say prayers, read stories, night-night. Okay? If you're home, this is your quiet time. If you have older children, ask them to go to their rooms. This is a private date night for you and your husband. You don't get to have one otherwise. Okay? Now we're going to do the final before bed routine, which is when you go into the bathroom and you brush your teeth and you floss your teeth and you go to bed on time. If you're out on a date, please don't stay out after midnight. Nothing good happens after midnight. I don't need to tell you that, do I? And then maybe you have to come home and take off your makeup or take a shower. That's fine. You just do that and get on your pajamas, moisturize your face, then brush and floss, go to bed. Have a good night's rest, and enjoy the relationship building that you've had with your spouse. All right, that is it for today. Tomorrow is Family Fun Day. Payroll, you're going to do those 2 hours in the morning on Saturday, maybe a little laundry, and then you're going to enjoy your Family Fun Day. Sunday is Renew Your Spirit, where we do just that. We rest and renew our spirit. That's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day, a fabulous weekend. Remember that prayer does change things and that you are beautiful. So be beautiful.